What's up guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros, and in this video I'm going to show you how to jump higher while doing a backflip. Let's dive right into the video, guys. So first of all, to jump higher while doing a backflip, what you're going to do is warm up. Nobody warms up before doing a backflip, barely anybody does, and it really just kills your height and kills your backflip. You really need to warm up before doing a backflip. So be sure to do some high knees, some butt kickers, and I'll show you some of my warm up in a second. But make sure you warm up. The second thing is to use your arms, just like so. Use your arms, swing your arms as fast and as hard as you can, but make sure to warm up your shoulders before you do so. Your shoulders are gonna get wrecked if you don't. Using your shoulders a ton helps so much in the backflip, but like I said, make sure you warm up before you do it. Also, don't bend down super far while doing a backflip. Don't like squat down. Be sure to just bend the perfect amount, which is almost 90 degrees, not quite 90 degrees. Yeah, I'll show you how far to bend down. Another thing is not throwing your head back. I sometimes throw my head back, I'll be honest. Sometimes I don't do the backflip right, but try not to throw your head back. I know it's hard not to not throw it all back at all. But jump up first. Use your arms to really jump up and don't jump back during the backflip. A lot of people do a backflip and they'll jump backwards and just go out a ton. Like they'll land like 5 feet behind them, but that's not a good way to do a backflip. You're gonna wanna jump straight up and land in the same spot if you're doing it on flat ground pretty much.